Today we're going to make a beautiful walnut side table with shaded inlay using the brand new Bernzomatic FirePoint Creator Tool. The base is made out of solid walnut and the top will be cut out of maple and walnut veneers. And while doing this, I'd like to tell you how important branding and identity is to your side hustle. In college, I studied graphic design and then went on to work at marketing agencies for 12 years before becoming a full-time maker. So I know how important branding is to your potential clients. Branding and identity set you apart from the competition and set your customers' expectations. You'll want to be recognized and create familiarity. Familiarity builds trust. Maybe that potential customer won't buy from you the first time, but the next time they'll think, hey, I remember this person, and feel comfortable making a purchase. It's like when you hear a song on the radio. Maybe that first time you won't even notice it, but by the third, you're singing along. Want to sell more handmade items? Outclass your competitors. Branding and identity is more than just a logo, it's who you are. Presentation is everything. If you're setting up for a craft show, have the best looking table in the arena. If you're selling online, take the best photos possible. The details matter. Your work is your brand. Your work is your identity. Your work will outlive you. Leave your mark. We have all of our pieces cut for this table. Now we get to have some fun by doing some shading of the inlay pieces. And to do that, we're going to use the brand new Bernzomatic FirePoint Creator Tool. The really cool thing about this is you can use the regular Bernzomatic propane, or you can use the hotter Bernzomatic MAP-Pro gas. And I've done a lot of testing, and it turns out the hotter Bernzomatic MAP-Pro gas works a little bit better with the shading. So we're gonna set the propane aside and get to work. We're gonna shade the edges of the inlay pieces to create a shadow effect. I got a whole bunch of extra pieces to practice with. One of the things that I did learn was when you're doing the edge, go all the way off before coming back on. As I'm going back and forth, if I don't go all the way off the edge of the piece, you can see that it burns more where I stopped and then reverse my direction. So you have to go all the way off the piece and then come all the way back on. One of the things that I like about this torch is you can control your flame. I found not all the way to the lowest, but a little past that gives me my favorite setting. Each cube has 3 pieces of inlay and each one gets shaded a little bit different. On this piece right here, we need to shade right here and right here. And then on this piece right here, we're going to shade right here and then a little bit right here. And then on this third piece, we're gonna darken the whole thing as well as these 2 edges right here. So for this first piece, I'm gonna give a light shading to the whole thing, going all the way off the edges. Now we'll do the 2 edges here. I'm glad I cut a bunch of extra pieces because the more I do, the better I get at it. So now that we have that first cube done, I'm gonna tape these 3 pieces together. I'm gonna set that aside and repeat. One of the features that I really love about the Bernzomatic FirePoint Creator Tool is its one-handed use. I could turn it on, turn it off easily with one hand while holding the piece with the other hand. I can also have it stay on if needed. So between the one-handed use and the flame control, I can do some really precise work, something you couldn't do with other torches, and I get to use the big tank with this. We got 6 more of these to go, so I got some work to do. The Bernzomatic FirePoint Creator Tool has this nice little stand that holds your tank, and then the holster for the torch has a metal insert for when your torch is hot, and it has a 41-inch hose for lots of maneuverability. You gotta be safe. I have a fire extinguisher right here, just in case we're playing with fire here. And the last piece of the puzzle goes in right there. This is gonna be so cool. I am so happy with how this is coming out. So we are going to glue our veneer to a piece of plywood and then throw it in a vacuum bag, and that's going to add pressure and permanently adhere it to this board. I then coated the top with epoxy and used the FirePoint Creator Tool to remove any bubbles while it cures. Thanks to Bernzomatic for sponsoring today's video. You may want to check out the previous episode where I used the Bernzomatic FirePoint Creator Tool to make some unique wood coasters. I will say that shading the inlays is something that I got better at as I went along. So you gotta experiment, you gotta play. I encourage you to tinker in the shop and just have some fun. Use the Bernzomatic FirePoint Creator Tool to add a little bit of creativity and uniqueness to your woodworking. Learn more about the FirePoint Creator Tool at bernzomatic.com. You can find this at Home Depot, Lowe's, Canadian Tire, and Ace Hardware. That is gonna wrap it up. As always, be safe, have fun, stay passionate, and make something.